Hello and thank you for viewing. This video provides instruction to convert the out-of-production VACON X4 X5 series drive to its successor, the VLT AutomationDrive EZ FC 321. Since the VACON X4 X5 series drive is in the limited life cycle phase, it will have a limited amount of spare parts and service options available. This may result in unpredictable process downtime due to wear or failure. To avoid this possibility, we recommend retrofitting it with a new generation replacement drive.
Hello, and welcome to the Danfoss Drives MyDrive Assistant. In this video, we will demonstrate how simple and fast it is to use the Drive Pro Retrofit Conversion tool. This tool will help replace drives no longer in production with the most suitable successor drive. Currently, the two discontinued product lines that the Retrofit Conversion tool supports is the VACON X4 X5 series, for USA and Canada only, and the VLT 2800 series. For purposes of this video, we will demonstrate how to use the conversion tool to find a replacement drive for the VACON X4 X5 series. Upon arriving to the landing page of the MyDrive Assistant tool, look for the help prompt to pop up on the right side of the screen. Locate and click the section titled Drive Pro Retrofit, Convert Discontinued Drives to New. You will be directed to the Discontinued Products prompt. Locate and click on Find a Replacement Drive for VACON X4 X5. The successor product for the VACON X series is the VLT AutomationDrive EZ FC 321. The VLT EZ FC 321 is a modular drive that's especially easy to configure, features a broad power range, and is designed to comply with all modern automation application requirements. To begin your conversion, locate the search bars at the bottom of the conversion tool prompt titled Search by Type Code or Search by Sales Code. We will show you an example of both a VACON X series type code and sales code on the screen now. You can scroll through the list of VACON X series type codes and click on the one you need, or you can use the search bar at the top of the prompt to locate your type code fast and easy. Let's take a brief step back and demonstrate how to search by sales code. To move back to the previous prompt, simply click on the grade prompt at the top of the page. Then, click on Search by Sales Code. The sales code for the X series is an 8-digit part number, similar to all dedicated Danfoss product. You can scroll through the list and find the one you need, or simply populate the 8-digit part number in the search bar at the top of the prompt to locate the sales code fast and easy. Once you click on the sales code or type code you need, you will be directed to the corresponding sales code match prompt. This will show you the discontinued VACON X series drive you chose and provide the new corresponding VLT EZ FC 321 you need. The new type code and 8-digit part number will appear along with information such as dimensions, mounting hole position, frame size, voltage and power rating, phase input, and enclosure type for both product lines. If you continue to scroll down within the prompt, take a look at some additional notes about the new VLT EZ FC 321 product you may want to know. These notes will highlight what features are included or not included within the product. Even better, locate and click on the button titled Download Comparison Chart for a simple side-by-side comparison between the X series and the new VLT EZ FC 321 series. This chart will give even more details about the products with information such as operating, cable length, control modes, enclosure styles, special functions, interface, standard input-output, communications, and other functions. It's that easy to find all of the information you need with a side-by-side comparison. Now that you have determined your new VLT EZ FC 321 material, click on the Continue button at the bottom of the prompt. You will now be directed to the Additional Features prompt where you can determine optional features you may want to purchase with your new product. Features such as communication cards, remote LCPs, Drive Pro Extended Warranty, and braking resistors may be ordered separately. For Drive Pro Extended Warranty, click on the button titled Click to Download Warranty Description to understand what is covered under the Drive Pro Extended Warranty program. Once you are done adding any additional features, click on the Continue button at the bottom of the prompt. You have now reached the final summary prompt of the Drive Pro Retrofit Conversion tool. Once again, you will find your new dedicated type code and sales code. If you click on the Product Configurator button, you will be directed to the Product Configurator within the Danfoss Product Store, where you can configure your new VLT EZ FC 321 drive. When you review your configuration, you can click on Proceed to Extras. This will direct you to the following Product Store product page, where you can find even more important information such as documentation, certificates, accessories, spare parts, and services. You can even find out where you can buy your new drive or log into your account if you are set up with Danfoss to buy direct from the product store. The summary prompt also lets you send the summary by email. To do so, click on the Send Summary by Email button, enter in the email address you wish to send to, and click on Continue. An email will be sent immediately. Lastly, we want you to know that when using the MyDrive Assistant tool, you will never be alone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please click on the button titled Contact Support. The human assistance prompt will appear. You can click on Live Chat with Support to text chat with one of our dedicated Danfoss support representatives. Please provide as much information as you can, including the model number, serial number, a brief description of the support you need, and any additional contact information. Then, click on the Start Live Chat button to begin your conversation. It's that easy. Please note that the live chat feature is only available during normal business hours, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. If you do not want to use the live chat feature, you can also make a phone call to one of our dedicated Danfoss support representatives. Select the phone call option on the human assistance prompt, and you will see the contact information in the next prompt. If your situation is less critical, you can click on the Create a Support Ticket button from the human assistance prompt. Similar to the live chat option, you must provide some initial information. However, once you do so, you can scroll down and click on the Submit button. This will automatically create a support case within the Danfoss system, and a dedicated Danfoss support representative will reach out in a timely manner. Lastly, please know that when you reach the summary prompt, you always have the option to restart the assistant or close the assistant. And there you have it. It's that simple to use the Drive Pro Retrofit Conversion tool. This is just one of the many great tools within the Danfoss Drives MyDrive Assistant. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for viewing. We hope this information has been helpful. To access the Danfoss Drives MyDrive Assistant, go to mydriveassistant.danfoss.com. Danfoss Drives can also provide additional technical support, parts information, or repair services options by contacting us in North America at 1-888-DANFOSS, or 1-888-326-3677, or contact us using one of the listed email addresses. Additional information is also available on our website at danfossdrives.com. For contact information in areas outside of North America, please visit our global website at danfoss.com.